So here is how to block someone on TikTok. To do this, you can either use the website or the application. Since I'm using it on a phone, I'll open up the TikTok application. So once you're in the TikTok app, you will get to see an option that says Friends on the bottom. Tap on Friends. So over here, you'll be able to view all of your friends on TikTok. Select the one that you want to block and tap on the Share option on the top right corner. After that, on the bottom, select the Block option and then tap on Block to confirm. The person is now blocked on your TikTok. And as you can see, it says here on the screen that you are unable to see each other's content unless you unblock them. So this way, you can apply the same process to anyone you want to block on TikTok. And it is the exact same process if you're using it on the web. And that's it. That is exactly how to block someone on TikTok.